President Cyril Ramaphosa has extended the deadline for the Matlanga Commission of Inquiry, granting investigators additional time to complete their work and submit a final report by 31 August 2026. The commission, chaired by the retired Judge Mbuyiseni Matlanga, had initially been expected to conclude its investigation and deliver its findings by 17 March 2026. However, the presidency confirmed that the timeline has been revised after the commission requested more time to hear from several witnesses who are still scheduled to testify. In a statement, the presidency said the extension was necessary given the scope of the inquiry and the number of individuals yet to appear before the panel. The presidency said the extension was granted at the request of the commission due to the number of persons who must still appear. The inquiry was established by Cyril Ramaphosa on 21 July 2025 in terms of Section 84 of the Institution, following explosive allegations made by the KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner, Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. He claims of political interference and organized corruption within the criminal justice system sparked widespread national concern and prompted the formation of the commission. Under the revised schedule, the inquiry must submit a second interim report by 29 May 2026 before presenting its final findings at the end of August. The Commission's first interim report, submitted on 17 December 2025, already signaled the seriousness of the matters under investigation. The report referred several issues for immediate criminal investigation, urged authorities to consider possible prosecutions, and raised questions about the employment status of certain officials. In some cases, it recommended that suspensions be considered while investigations continue. Alongside Matlanga, the commission includes Advocate Sisi Baloyi SC and Sandile Khumalo SC. Since hearings resumed in January, the inquiry has drawn a steady stream of senior police officers, municipal officials, and political figures to the witness stand. Testimony has painted a troubling picture of alleged attempts to manipulate criminal investigations, protect politically connected individuals, and undermine the rule of law. Among the most prominent figures implicated during proceedings are Police Minister Senzo Mchunu and Lesitja Senana, a Major General in South African Police Service, whose appearances before the commission have dominated several days of testimony. With more witnesses still expected to take the stand, the extended timeline is likely to keep the commission's high-stakes investigation in the national spotlight for months to come. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.